I'm working for y'all to plant these seeds. Mixture is beautiful because we all have been mixed since the beginning of the time. Some of us don't embrace it strongly as others. It's the culture, but self-discovery is the most beautiful thing, knowing who you are. I love it. I love it. I will be there Christmas time for a couple weeks. Oh, in Texas, my wife is Ghanaian mixed with Moroccan from Ghana, West Africa. Phenomenal. I love it. So, proud mixed child, you live in Puerto Rico now? I just love it. Y'all are phenomenal. Hugs, hugs, hugs. Okay. So I got a tour guide in Puerto Rico. I got a tour guide in London. Where else we going? I live where I was born, Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Okay. You were born in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. All right. That is amazing. Like, we had a mix up in here today. Y'all, like, I swear, when you follow your heart and you follow God and his word, he will always lead you to be in the right spaces. Like, I believe in that so strongly. And I've been praying hard, y'all, to be, in the right spaces and praying for discernment, to be able to distinguish what's for me and what's not, what's the enemy and what's really God, because sometimes it could be hard to know. That's why they got that little image of the devil on one shoulder and the angel on the other shoulder, because that's really how it be. It be like a push and pull. You don't be knowing. The devil be all dressed up in disguise looking like God, and really it's the devil. Or sometimes it could come so hard it feel like the devil, but it's really God trying to wake you up. You have really helped me today. Thank you so much. Words are powerful. Every word can help you or destroy you. And I try so hard to pray for my words so that I don't destroy. I'm working on it in my own personal life, because I feel like the people who love you have the most power to hurt you. And that's the people, when I'm a crab. So when I feel hurt, I attack. Like, I put my guards up. I will pinch your ass, okay? I'm a crab. I am a crab. So I will pinch you. Like, don't come for me, because I will come for you. That's just who I am. But nobody has really came for me on my channel. When they come for me on my channel, I address that directly. You know what I'm saying? And it usually don't happen in my videos. It's usually comment section. And I address that, hide it, remove it, do what I got to do with it so that it's not lingering negativity on my channel. That's what we do over here. Random people are brought together every day for a healthier purpose by God's choice. Proud mixed child. Yin and yang. Yes. Proud mixed child. Miss Serenity said yin and yang. Proud mixed child. Random people are brought together every day for a healthier purpose by God's choice, which is why I believe we are all here, and it's great. Sometimes strangers will give you the tightest hugs and love you the most. Hello, Wellness Frugal Mama. Everybody welcome in Frugal Mama to the live. Hey, Queen. Welcome in. How you doing on this Friday Eve? Y'all call this Friday Eve because the day before Friday is garbage day. I got to clean this car out and put it to the curb. You know what I'm saying? I don't really feel like it. I'm really tired. Y'all be going to bed late because I be up responding to comments. I was making hella shorts last night. Y'all, I made a short on my channel of the baby and her dad playing. Y'all, it's at 1,000 views already. I woke up this morning, it was at 1,000 views. I just made it yesterday. I was like, and like 5 subscribers. I was like, y'all just take over my channel. Everybody like y'all more than they like me. I be poured into people and all y'all do is look cute. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Thank you. Thank you. So, yeah, I clipped a little piece of this live so that I could share it. I'm going to clip another piece.